everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. And I do makeup, skincare and sometimes hair on my channel. In this video, I have discussed a very simple and easy to follow hair care routine for frizz-free hair. If you want to know my steps and my suggestions, please keep on watching. The first tip is while going to bed, tie your hair in a braid. This will not let your hair be frizzy and prevent split ends. My second tip is while combing and detangling your hair, start from the end and slowly move upwards. That will also just let your hair not have frizz. Frizzy hair is a symbol of dry and unhealthy hair. Hence, the third tip is to oil your hair at least twice a week. I am using Soulflower castor oil. It not only nourishes my hair thoroughly but also controls hair fall. I am massaging my scalp at least for 5 to 7 minutes and then applying the oil on the length of my hair using scrunching motion as I have wavy hair. Please avoid heating your oil in microwave as it will destroy the nutrients of the hair oil, and try to use cold press oil always. After oiling my hair, I keep my hair tied in a bun at least for 2 to 3 hours before I go to bath and shampoo it down. I have used a Herbal Essence strawberry set of the shampoo and conditioner to shampoo my hair or wash my hair. Next, I am taking up some leave-in conditioner and once again applying it on my hair using scrunching motion. If you are not using any leave-in conditioner, please start using a leave-in conditioner because it makes a hell and heaven difference if you are using or not using the leave-in conditioner in case of frizzy hair at least. Next, I am using a leave-on hair serum on the length of my hair. Actually, using any hair serum after shampooing your hair will tame down your frizzy hair up to some extent. I love using a hair serum. I will also suggest you to get some hair spa at least once in 2 months if it is possible to tame down your frizzy hair. The last suggestion I will like to give you is to cut your hair a little bit every 6 months, just like the split ends and all. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye till my next video.